So please decide what you want your customers to believe about your brand. Say about your brand. This has to do with how you position yourself. If you don't carry yourself with respect or with esteem or with dignity, nobody else would. If you don't tell yourself I look good, nobody else will tell yourself you look good. You first have to believe that, look, I look good and I can talk to anybody. Yes, sir. Nobody will really give you an acknowledgement if you don't acknowledge yourself. And so how you communicate with your customers, how you talk to them, what you allow them to see really matters. Because it is by what they hear from you and from other people that would form their perception about your brand or about your shop or about your business. Measure how you're doing. Mystery shop surveys. These are ways to get feedback. You can send somebody to your shop when you're not there to say, okay, go and see how my girls will behave, how they will treat you. And then they give you feedback and you caution your girls because you don't know who will eventually spend their money at your place. You understand? Match your words with action, review and correct processes. Match your words with actions. Anything you promise, you make sure you go by. If you tell a customer, well, I'll call you back. I'll give you an example. A lady normally shops somewhere. She issues a check. In Nigeria, I mean, it's really strange because people don't really take checks for purchases. And then her sales girls refuse to collect check from the customer because they say, why? We only collect cash. Our madam didn't ask us to collect check from specific people. She left. And then when she was angry, she left. She didn't buy the stuff again. And when she came, they just joked about it. Madam, one year woman come and say she won't pay with check. Trust us, we know because they don't want to ask. Who is the person? She now asks for that and she goes, I have one friend that normally buys and she pays with check. She now put a phone call to her. Sorry, my girls told me you came. I've now instructed them that they should take check from you whenever you come. I'm really sorry. Do you understand? Because they didn't know she had that relationship with the woman, with that customer. There's some big shops that take check from some known clients, but they don't take from everybody. So she had to quickly do service recovery there. Review and correct processes. I mean, if you find out that something is not going wrong, something is not going right, or you get feedback from a customer, take action. Proactively acknowledge the complaint, call the customer back, make sure it's resolved, or you arrive at the amiable settlement. Map the customer experience. Every interaction with the customer is a transaction, is an opportunity, is an experience. Make it possible, make it positive. What it means is that every time I see something that belongs to you, just your nylon alone can send messages to customers. How you package your goods can send messages to customers. Do you have correct details on your nylon? If I call the numbers you have on your physical evidence, your materials, your paraphernalias, will I be able to get that? Are they numbers that will go through? How will the other person at the other end react? I had a personal experience. I bought a generator somewhere, and then 3 months down the line, I wanted to service my generator, and I called one of the numbers on the receipt because I didn't know how to get across them. I just looked at the receipt and I saw the number there. And then I called the guy. It was on a Sunday morning. I just remembered that this generator needs to be serviced. And then the guy picked the call and said, hello, who is there? Oh, yeah, cool. Hello, you know they say today na Sunday? You know they go church? Which kind of nonsense be this? And I said, oh, sorry. I called back and I said, nobody you I just talked to, and I hung up. And I said, but there were a couple of other numbers there. But because of the way they attended to me when I went to buy generator, I called the other number. I said, no vex, now our other store. No vex, I beg. The guy, same Sunday, he was like, no vex, I beg, now our other store, no vex. But you didn't train your staff well. For me, I had already interacted with those people. So, I mean, I already had a very nasty experience. The way the guy said, today, you understand, when you know it's a business one, you promptly, professionally, think who is calling. If you know this number has been given to the public for the business, it's printed on your receipt, it's printed on your nylon, it's printed on your card, it's printed on your paraphernals. Be professional. Take the call. Okay, today is Sunday. We don't open on Sundays. When can we call you back so we can send somebody to fix your journey? Very simple. It's very easy to live a positive experience. But we take it as a big deal. Yes, thank you. The process of tracking and describing the experiences that the customer have to encounter as a service, set of services, take into account what happens to them. It records how the customer thinks, feel at each step. What this really means is the whole essence of customer experience. From when you think and say, I want to go to market, I want to buy Maggi, I want to buy something, you're already igniting the experience. Your decision on which brand to choose will be based on all the communications you've been hearing, and then the best place you think your need will be solved. We are very emotional in things we do. You think, do I want to go to ShopRite? Which is the closest to me? Is it far? Do I just want to go to the shop around? Will I be able to? What's the convenience? Jonathan, you even imagine the road you would pass where you are going there. You would imagine, where can I park my car? Do you understand? If you have a car. You would imagine, am I taking a bike there? Would I easily get a bike there? You put certain things in consideration. All these basic things, and then the responses your brain can process back and tell you that you will live through are the experiences you go through. You've not even gotten to the shop, but you're already making a purchase decision. You're already going through your mind. All those things are already gauging past. Okay, if I go there, I won't get a place to park. I'm not going there. Do you understand? But the business does not know that, because customers have already thought that they will not get a place to park, right? Or they won't get carrier bag, or they will be made to face another pain while interacting with them. They are losing customers. So your ability to think through this process and say, what's the best way we can serve our customers? Customers that come around here, how do they come? Of course, you can get all this information when you interact with your customers. Little things matter to customers. Some people, it's just the thank you that solves the problem. It's just the fact that you send an SMS to them on their birthday. You people remembered me today. Thank you so much. Those are the little things that just make them, that convinces customers that I will continue to do business with this person. It records how customers think, feel at each step. This exercise is to help identify the opportunities for improvement and innovation. You go to some places, you go to Cactus, you go some places on the island, and before you even make an order, they bring granuts for you to eat. You understand? You have not even ordered. They are already preempting you. It's free. You understand? But you know that when some people, because of that, because they know that they're going to get free granuts, they'll go there and buy ice cream. Understand customer expectation, identify where, what, and how current system failed, then change. I wish we had time. I would have said, okay, I'll give you a piece of papers, or rather, we do an example of the things your ladies, the things people you interact with, the organization you interact with. Of course, we all eat food, we all go to market. So I'll tell you to think about when you identify that something is finished in your house, right, and you want to replenish stock. What are the things you think about? How do you arrive at the final decision of where you buy and how much you spend? So if you can itemize those positions, if businesses have those information, then they know what and what to work on, so that customers can continue to buy at their place. I don't know if you understand. If I know that if I call MTN's customer care, or if I going to the airport, I know that it's queue, or if I know I'm going to enter BRT bus, for example, I'm going to work and I want to take BRT, and I imagine that BRT is dirty, I won't really feel comfortable taking the BRT now. But I imagine if I enter the BRT, it's all clean, the driver is polite, the conductor is polite, and whatnot. It would give me the urge, because I'm already imagining my route.